we need to, that actually brings in another challenge, because a simpler approach is to sell products to third-party platforms, and they take care of everything, whether it's storing and then fulfillment, everything they take care. In this case, we are talking about developing a fulfilling capability ourselves, because the orders are actually going to come to our locations. It could be a warehouse, or it could be a store. So we have to build that capability in the warehouse. From being servicing a B2B customer, we have to now start servicing a B2C customer for sending caseloads of stock or multiple, thousands of shirts. We need to train people to pick up one shirt at a time, and then hand it over to the courier boy for the fulfillment. And the same thing has to happen in the store as well. So this is an enormous change, which is something, uh, in a way, a situation like COVID accelerated, because this has a huge positive implication going forward, because a complex fashion business with multiplicity of SKUs always lead to an inventory problem. All of you may be familiar with the end of season sale. So there is always a certain amount of inventory left over after the end of season sale, which we take back and sell at a much lower price. And even end of season sale, if you are able to reduce the quantity which gets into end of season sale, it can be a big advantage. I think creating one view of inventory actually can reduce the quantity of inventory we maintain at different physical locations. That is number one. And number two is, some inventory which is moving in a certain location is not moving in certain other location in the physical form. We can always do some inter store transfer or inter city transfer to make sure that inventory is at the right place. So that is the other big advantage. And third, I think is a very significant advantage, which we don't really sort of recognize, because when we talk about technology, we always talk in terms of the front end technology, but at the back end, we can actually do dynamic discounting. We can look at what product is selling well in a particular store, and then we can create SKU-wise, store-wise discounts. For example, if you are keeping, say, let's take a 5,000 SKUs in 1,000 stores, then 5,000 into 1,000, that kind of a combination, we can actually set discount. So even a very small percentage of savings achieved that way actually can lead to huge amount of savings. So I would say that creating a one view of inventory is the most important task. And then that really enables multiple other efficiencies for the company, both from servicing the customer, providing the best of the service to the customer, because two things happen. One, if you're servicing from the store, we are talking about maybe half a day delivery. If you order before 11 o'clock, same day delivery. That is number one. And number two is fulfillment from the store also reduces the fulfillment cost.